From space, Earth's blue hue reveals its most vital feature, water. Water is the essence of life, shaping every ecosystem and organism. Without it, Earth would be barren, lifeless rock. Oceans cover over 70% of our planet, yet only a tiny fraction is fresh and accessible. This precious fresh water connects mountain peaks to ocean trenches in a continuous, life-giving cycle. Water shapes weather, carves landscapes, and regulates climate. The story of life on Earth is the story of water's movement and transformation. We see its cycle in morning dew, gathering clouds and flowing rivers. Understanding this cycle is key to understanding our living world. It's a journey powered by the sun, beginning everywhere at once. Let's follow water's remarkable path. The sun powers the water cycle, acting as the driving force behind one of Earth's most vital processes. Its energy reaches every corner of the planet, setting the stage for a continuous movement of water. This energy drives evaporation from oceans, lakes, and rivers, lifting water from the surface and sending it skyward. Water molecules absorb solar energy, break free from their liquid bonds, and rise as invisible vapor, beginning an incredible journey. This transformation happens everywhere, from tiny puddles on city streets to vast forests shrouded in morning mist. Plants play a crucial role, releasing water vapor through transpiration, a process where leaves breathe out moisture into the air. A single tree can release hundreds of liters of water into the air each day, contributing to the invisible river of vapor above us. Globally, trillions of tons of water rise into the atmosphere daily, forming a vast, unseen flow that connects all ecosystems. Warm air currents carry this vapor upward, beginning its journey skyward and transporting moisture across continents. As it ascends, temperatures drop, and the air cools, setting the stage for the next phase of the cycle. The invisible vapor is about to become visible as it condenses into tiny droplets. Water molecules will soon gather and transform into clouds, painting the sky with their presence. The ascent is complete. Now, a new gathering begins as clouds form and grow above the landscape. The cycle continues high above us, shaping weather, nourishing life, and connecting every part of our world through water. High above, rising water vapor cools and slows, clinging to tiny dust or salt particles. This is condensation. Vapor turns back into liquid droplets or ice crystals. Clouds are billions of these droplets, suspended by air currents. Their shapes, wispy cirrus, puffy cumulus, or blanket-like stratus, reflect atmospheric conditions. Each cloud is a fleeting masterpiece, a visible sign of the water cycle at work. As droplets collide and merge, they grow heavier. The cloud darkens and lowers, nearing a tipping point. Soon, gravity will win, and water will return to Earth. The stage is set for precipitation. The journey continues, now heading back to the ground. The miracle of rain is about to unfold. When droplets in a cloud grow too heavy, gravity pulls them down as precipitation. Rain, snow, sleet, or hail. A single raindrop contains millions of tiny cloud droplets merged together. Rain replenishes rivers, lakes, and soil, sustaining life everywhere. In some places, rain is abundant, creating lush rainforests. In others, it's scarce, shaping deserts. The rhythm of rainfall dictates migrations, farming, and survival. Every drop is vital, linking water's journey through the environment. The return of water to land is the heartbeat of our world. The cycle moves on, shaping landscapes and life. Rainwater's journey continues, shaped by the land. Some soaks into the earth, replenishing underground aquifers. The rest flows across the surface as runoff, forming rivulets and streams. These merge into rivers, carving valleys and canyons over millennia. Rivers carry sediment, creating fertile floodplains and deltas, cradles of civilization. Along their course, rivers support diverse wildlife and connect entire ecosystems. Each river gathers water from its watershed, collecting every drop that falls within its basin. The river's relentless flow always seeks the sea. It is a corridor of life, shaping the land and sustaining communities. The journey of water is always onward. Not all water rushes back to the sea. Much is stored in lakes, ponds, and underground reservoirs. These bodies of water act as natural pauses in the water's journey, creating habitats for countless species and providing essential resources for people and wildlife alike. Lakes are natural holding tanks, vital for ecosystems and human needs. They regulate water flow, help prevent floods, and offer a home to fish, birds, and plants. Many communities rely on lakes for drinking water, recreation, and even cultural traditions. Soil absorbs rain, storing moisture for plants and fueling growth. This underground reservoir is crucial for agriculture, forests, and all land-based life. Without healthy soil, crops would wither, and natural landscapes would struggle to survive. Some water seeps deeper, filling aquifers that can hold water for centuries. These hidden reserves are tapped by wells and springs, supplying water to millions, especially in dry regions where surface water is scarce. Ultimately, most water returns to the ocean, carrying minerals and salts collected along the way. Rivers act as highways, connecting mountains, valleys, and plains to the vast seas, shaping landscapes as they flow. Oceans are the planet's largest reservoir, the beginning and end of the water cycle. They cover over 70% of Earth's surface, driving weather patterns and supporting an incredible diversity of life. Water moves constantly between atmosphere, rivers, lakes, soil, and sea. This endless motion shapes our climate, nourishes life, and connects every corner of the globe. A water molecule's journey may span days in the air or millennia in ice or rock. Some water is locked away in glaciers or deep underground, only to rejoin the cycle after thousands of years. All water is part of a single, interconnected global system. Every drop is linked, whether it falls as rain in a rainforest or freezes in a polar ice cap. The water in your glass today may have traveled the world for eons, passing through clouds, rivers, soil, and stone before reaching you. It is a shared, ever-moving resource, connecting people and places across continents and generations. The cycle is truly global, reminding us that water links all life on Earth in a continuous, vital flow. The water cycle has sustained life on Earth for billions of years, nurturing every plant, animal, and ecosystem. But today, human activity is putting this delicate balance at risk like never before. Our ever-growing demand for water drains rivers and depletes ancient aquifers much faster than nature can replenish them. As populations rise and cities expand, the pressure on our water sources only increases, leaving many regions vulnerable to scarcity. Pollution from cities, farms, and factories contaminates our water, harming wildlife and making it unsafe for people to drink or use. Toxic chemicals and waste can travel far downstream, affecting communities and habitats miles away. Climate change is also disrupting rainfall patterns, causing more frequent and severe droughts and floods. These extremes threaten crops, homes, and the very stability of our water supplies. Protecting water means using it wisely every day, reducing waste, fixing leaks, and preventing pollution from entering our waterways. Every small action adds up to make a big difference. Healthy forests and wetlands act as natural filters, cleaning and regulating water flow. They provide vital habitats and help buffer us from floods and droughts. We must recognize water as the precious, finite resource it truly is, something to be cherished and protected for future generations. The journey of water connects us all, from mountain streams to city taps. Our health, our communities, and our future depend on clean, reliable water. By understanding and appreciating this remarkable cycle, we're inspired to take action and protect it, together, as stewards of our planet. Safeguarding water is safeguarding life itself, for every living being depends on this vital resource. Our planet's future flows with every drop. Let's protect it, for ourselves and for generations yet to come.